Welcome back to TeshKidFX for another Arbitrum ticker symbol ARB price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you reasons as to why I think ARB could give us a pump very soon. And at the time of this recording, we are holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also trying to battle out with a key area of resistance at around the $1.35 mark, and the moment we manage to break above that, we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that after seeing our low at around the $1.1024 mark, we started these bounce to the upside, where we first saw these 1-2 setup to the upside, and after seeing the 1-2 setup, we started our Elliot structure, where you can now see that we have peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $1.8209 mark, which is the all-time high here on the ARB chart. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2 highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And I was able to come up with that target area by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and that gave me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which is a target area that we have fully maximized, and we have also continued to hold within that blue target area. And as long as we continue holding within it, there are high chances that soon we are going to see that massive breakout in the formation of this wave 3. And if that is the case, we can sketch out a minimum target area in that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then drag the Fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $2.3853 mark. And that suggests that in case we see that run up in the formation of that wave 3, ARB will be able to give us a new all-time high. I also have a chart pattern that is in formation that could possibly give us a breakout very soon to the upper side, which is the chart pattern that is down here, where you can see that we have seen the formation of a double bottom, having our bottoms at around the $1.2958 mark. And if I draw out the chart pattern, we can have these as the first bottom, then we have seen the formation of the neckline, then the second bottom, and there are high chances that this chart pattern is going to give us a breakout to the upper side the moment we manage to break through our key area of resistance at around the $1.35 mark. And the moment we break through that, then we can break to the upper side, having the minimum target area of the breakout being given by the height between the neckline and the bottoms, and we can get that height and then place it above the neckline to give us a minimum target area at around the $1.4141 mark. So that is what you can expect here on the short-term scenarios here on the ARB chart. The moment we manage to break above our key area of resistance and also see a breakout out of that chart pattern to the upper side, and also continue obeying the Elliot structures, and also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 57 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.